From this little table, I will create pivot table. So I go to Insert, Pivot Table. I want it on New Worksheet and press OK. I add here category, item, store into columns, and price as a values. I have everything as I want it, so it looks good. Sum of the price, stores on the top, so it's okay. Problem is when I want to add one more item to the list. So for example, fruits, oranges from Walmart for, let's say, 160. Then I go back to my pivot table and refresh it, and it's not appearing there. So what can I do? I can go to options and edit data source of my pivot, and instead of selecting table, I can select all the columns. Press OK. Now I have there also oranges. But what appeared here is some blank cells, so I have to uncheck it. And another thing is when I remove the price from pivot table and put it back, it will not put sum but count, and I don't want to always change it to sum, so I will use a different way to create pivot table. So I go to my data, go to formulas, define name. I will define name called data, and I will use function offset for this. Offset function needs one reference cell. In this case it will be A1, where my range will start. I will not move from this cell, so it will stay as it is. So 0 rows to move and 0 columns to move. But on the other way, I want to expand the range, so I will add lines to the cells, and I will use function count A, count everything what is in column A, and now I should expand it how many columns I want. I can put just number 4 as I have 4 columns, and let's check it. So it's selecting all the table. I can also replace this 4 with count A function, and everything what I have in line 1 will be counted. So let's test it. If it's dynamic, I will add one more line here. So dairy, 3% milk from Walmart, let's say, for 220. In name manager, I can see that my range expands, so it's working okay. Now all I want to do is to change it in my pivot table, so I will change data source right here, data, instead of selecting range. And now suddenly everything appear. Orange is 3% milk, everything as I wanted. If I remove sum, put it back, it's again sum of price, so it's exactly as I wanted. That's all what I wanted to share with you. Thank you for watching.